Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. As we approach 2025, navigating the ever-changing e-commerce landscape can feel challenging, but with the right strategies, staying ahead of the competition is absolutely achievable. In today's video, I'll share 5 actionable tips to help you boost your dropshipping sales and unlock new opportunities with confidence. Plus, I'll highlight some free tools and strategies designed to make your dropshipping journey smoother and more effective. No extra cost, just extra value. Let's dive in. Consider your customers. You can't create a winning dropshipping strategy without putting your customers at the center. Good customer service has always been important, but in today's digital-first world, it's absolutely essential. Customers expect a lot from you, even if you're a small dropshipper or an emerging e-commerce brand. In fact, 2/3 of businesses compete primarily on customer service, and those that excel can earn up to 8% more revenue. At the same time, customer expectations are rising fast. 61% of consumers report that their expectations for the service have increased over the past year. Worse, 1 in 3 customers will abandon your brand entirely after just one bad experience. So what can you do? Start by focusing on delivering excellent customer support. Be ready to resolve customer queries quickly and guide them until they've happily received their order. Here are some actionable steps. Add a FAQ page. Address common concerns like delivery times, payment methods, shipping policies, and returns to reduce confusion and build trust. Leverage existing customers. Upselling and cross-selling to your current customers is not only cost-effective, but also more likely to succeed than acquiring new ones. Prioritizing your customers doesn't just improve satisfaction, it helps you build long-term loyalty, turning one-time buyers into repeat customers and driving sustainable growth for your business. Populate your store with products consistently. If you want to drive sales, keeping your store stocked with fresh and diverse products is essential. Simply listing a few items won't cut it. Your online store is competing with thousands of others, so standing out means consistently adding trending and in-demand products. Why does this matter? Research shows that stores with regularly updated catalogs attract more repeat customers. Shoppers love discovering new items, and a fresh product lineup keeps them coming back. Tools like Google Trends, Instagram, and TikTok make it easy to identify popular items. Here's how to stay ahead. Add new products daily. Aim to list at least 10 fresh items each day. This not only keeps your store relevant, but also shows the customers you're in tune with the latest trends. Leverage tools like Doba. Streamlining this process ensures efficiency. Log into your Doba account. Search for trending or niche-specific products using the platform. Use the import button to add items to your product import list. Edit product titles, descriptions, and details to align with your store's brand. With one click, push the products directly to your store. This streamlined approach saves time and keeps your store dynamic. Consistency is crucial. Regularly adding products ensures your business stays competitive and top of mind in the fast-paced e-commerce world. Have reliable and additional suppliers on standby. One of the biggest challenges in dropshipping is dealing with the dreaded out-of-stock situation. Imagine making a sale only to discover that your supplier has run out of the product. This leads to delays, cancellations, and most importantly, unhappy customers. To avoid this, you must be prepared in advance. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 reliable suppliers for each product in your store. This will ensure that if one supplier runs out of stock, you can quickly source the product from another. Alternatively, you can leverage a platform like Doba, which offers a wide network of reliable suppliers and displays real-time inventory levels. This allows you to closely monitor stock availability and avoid selling items that are out of stock, ensuring a smoother and more reliable customer experience. By diversifying your suppliers and using tools that give you real-time data, you can avoid disruptions and keep your business running smoothly, even during unexpected changes in inventory. Promote your store and products. We've emphasized the importance of marketing many times before, and for good reason. Without traffic, no one's buying. But simply having traffic isn't enough. You also need to set up ad campaigns and promotions for your individual products. These activities can make a big difference in attracting potential customers and encouraging them to make a purchase. If you're not yet running paid ads, start by dedicating at least 1 post per week on each of your social media platforms. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, ensure your post features the product you're promoting and offer clear calls to action. Additionally, posting customer reviews or user-generated content can be a great way to build trust and authenticity authenticity for your brand. You can even take it a step further by sharing product benefits and tutorials on YouTube to drive awareness and engagement. Setting up targeted ad campaigns can help you reach a much larger audience. For instance, you can use Facebook ads and Instagram marketing to reach customers based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Running Google ads is another great way to capture intent-driven traffic, particularly for users who are actively searching for products like yours. Another effective approach is using hashtags on Instagram and TikTok to increase the deliverability of your posts and connect with potential customers. When used strategically, hashtags can help your posts appear in front of a larger audience that's already interested in similar products. By promoting both your products and your brand consistently and across multiple channels, you'll not only increase your store's visibility, but also improve your SEO ranking and brand credibility. This will help convert more visitors into paying customers, growing your dropshipping business. Automate your dropshipping business. While dropshippers are equipped with the knowledge and skills to run a successful business, managing all the daily tasks can quickly become overwhelming. The good news is that dropshipping automation can help streamline many of the manual operations, saving you both time and effort. With automation, tasks like filling in product details, updating customer addresses, and processing orders are handled automatically, freeing you up to focus on higher value activities. Plus, automation makes it easier to scale your business by allowing you to add more products or even manage multiple stores at once without the extra workload. Here, I recommend using Doba. Doba offers a suite of automation tools specifically designed to make your dropshipping journey smoother and more efficient. Seamless store integration. Connect your store directly to Doba for hassle-free management. One-click product listing. Add products to your store instantly, no more manual uploads. Automatic price and inventory synchronization. Avoid out-of-stock and pricing errors with real-time updates. AI-driven product selection tool. Easily find trending, high-demand products to maximize your sales and potential. Automated order synchronization. Process customers' orders without lifting a finger. These features significantly streamline the dropshipping process, giving you more freedom to focus on the most important aspects of your business, such as marketing, customer service, and growing your brand. By automating routine tasks, you can increase efficiency, reduce mistakes, and scale faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more dropshipping tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.